Hi everyone and welcome back to a new art channel play. This page is inspired by Jane Davenport and I'm using my Mijello Mission Gold watercolors. I'm working on a gesso surface because my cheaper art journal that I'm using at the moment can't take the watercolors very good. But as I'm just practicing some faces, I'm using the cheaper art journal because I don't want to ruin the high quality pages in my Strathmore art journal. And what I'm doing now is I'm creating a very easy and loose background. When you work on a gessoed surface with watercolors, they don't have the nice flow they would have on watercolor paper, but I don't mind that at the moment. You can use any other medium to create this kind of background, for example water-soluble crayons. I'm sprinkling some white watercolor onto the page. I'm sketching my face right now and I will speed the process up because you can't see this very good. I'm using white gesso to paint the face. I add in color with the Neocolor Crayons. I'm using watercolor pencils to draw in some details. To have a contrast to the background, I'm using a dark orange to create the hair. I'm adding some shadows with a black watercolor pencil. To create more interest on the background, I use some stamping. I'm using the round and circle stamp set from Rubber Dance. I'm adding some highlights with the Oni Posca marker. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give me a thumb up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!